Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Preeti and today we are going to see basics of Java, which includes introduction to Java, history of Java, features of Java, and some major versions of Java. So let's get started. So, what is Java? Java is a widely used object-oriented programming language which we can use to develop mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications. You also can develop games using Java. You can develop web servers, application servers. You can use it for database connectivity, and there are many more applications of Java. So it is a general purpose programming language which follows write once and run anywhere approach. It means that compiled code can run on any Java virtual machine. Isn't it magical? So what is the history behind Java? So initially, Java was developed by James Gosling and his team in their early 90s. James Gosling is also known as the father of Java. So initially, Java was developed for embedded system, like it was developed for a small embedded system in electronic appliances like set-top boxes or a televisions. So firstly, it was named as a Green Talk by James Gosling, and after that, they renamed it as a Oak. And in 1995, Oak was renamed as a Java because of Oak Technologies, which was named it before. So Java is an island on Indonesia where the first coffee was produced and which is called as a Java coffee. Java name was chosen by James Wasserman while having a cup of coffee outside his office. So, what are the features of Java? Java is easy to learn. It is a simple language. It is a platform independent language. As I said before, you can write code once and run on any Java virtual machine. It makes Java a platform independent language. Java is a secure language. Java provides security to its applications. Like we can use encryption, decryption. You also can generate your own digital signature using Java. Java is a fast and high performance language. The basic reason behind it is uh, Java runtime environment provides us a JIT compiler, which improves the Java program, like which improves performance of the Java programs by compiling bytecode into native machine codes just in time to run the code. Java is a free and open source. It is interpreted and compiled language. It means Java programs are compiled to generate bytecode files and then the JVM interprets the bytecode file during the execution. It is a robust language. Java is capable of handling unexpected termination of a program. The main reason behind it is Java provides you an exception handling and a memory management. So what is exception handling? So what is exception? Exception is an abnormal event which occur uh, or which can disturb the flow of your program. This is what we call as an exception, and we can handle those exceptions using Java. Java also provides you a memory management. So JVM provides us a garbage collector which collects all unused variables when while they are not needed anymore. So this is beauty of Java. Java provides us a garbage collector. Java also supports multi-threading. So what is multi-threading? Before that, what is thread? Thread is a lightweight independent subprocess of running program that can share a resource. Like two threads can share any resource, one resource between them. And when this thread runs simultaneously, it is called as a multi-threading. So we will see what is multi-threading in my further videos. So these are the features provided by a Java. So we'll see versions of Java. Java 1.0 was the first version of Java, which was released on January 23, 1996. It was the first stable version of Java. It is also called as a Java 1. So these are the features, versions of Java. Java 8 was first long-term support version of Java, which was released in 2014. After Java 8, there's Java 11, which was released in September 2018. After this, Java 17 is released as a line, long-term support JDK, which is released in 2020. After Java 17, there is a Java 21, which is released on September 2023. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thanks a lot. Keep learning, keep growing.